Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here at the Modern Chemist at 62 Water Street in Brooklyn. It's in Dumbo. Alright, and today we have the Polaroid OneStep Plus. Now this is very similar to the current OneStep 2, but this has a few added features that make this a really interesting camera and something that I think a lot of people will be getting. Alright, first of all, the major announcement is they have added Bluetooth to this camera. So that means you can pair this with your phone and you can work the remote, you can do a manual mode, you can do a self-timer, double exposure, light painting, and you can work with the noise trigger. The manual controls on here, it just makes it all the more useful as a camera because, you know, you have a finite amount of images you can take. Usually it's 8 in a package, and then you really want to make sure that those are good images. So here we have the camera. It's very much like the OneStep 2, except this has this little extended eyepiece here, but it's really nice and lightweight. And this is an I-type camera. It does take I-type film, or it takes 600 film by Polaroid. Another feature on here is that you can actually go between standard and portrait mode and just go back and forth. And if you take a look here, you see that it's switching back and forth. You won't be able to see that through the viewfinder, but it will show you when the final image is processed. And that's something that the other cameras don't have, and that's a really good addition. Anything to make the image that you're taking with this, because again, it's finite, and you usually have about 8 images per pack, it just makes it all the more worthwhile. So again, physical little viewfinder here, you have a nice bright flash, again, Bluetooth, and it has a 60-day rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about batteries. And it's just, they've made the OneStep 2 so much better. So I recommend that you take a look at this. We have it here in the store. It's gonna be a really cool camera. I already like Polaroid to begin with, but yeah, just take a look. It's the OneStep 2 by Polaroid Originals. Thanks for watching. This is Matt for Creative here at the Modern Chemist at 62 Water Street in Brooklyn. All right guys, I'll see you next time.